Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition 35 TFSI with the S-tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Navara blue metallic paintwork, which really give it that standout road appearance. It does also come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months road tide assistance. Now looking at the key features, and with this being the Black Edition model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition styling such as the front bumper and rear diffuser design, along with the gloss black elements such as the window surround and exhaust tips to complement. Moving towards the front of this A3 now, we do find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Looking down from this now, we find the Black Edition specific 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid matte grey alloys, a part of the Audi Sport range, which really complement the blue paintwork. To the side of the A3 now, there is also that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view and does also keep those valuable items from view as well. Moving into now to the rear boot space of the A3 Saloon, where we do find up to 425 litres of storage space. This is a large amount for a vehicle of this size. This can easily accommodate one larger suitcase and a few additional shopping bags. Taking a look into the rear now, we find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching. As well as this, there is a leather sense armrest, which is fold down to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making this A3 perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean the vehicle has these full leather seats, which are of a sporty design, do feature the Audi Sports logo as well as the white stitching. Above now there is the virtual cockpit display, in which they feature the two digital rev counters. As well as this, it does allow access to telephone connectivity and your radio station as well. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation and allows usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, we find the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable and does have heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again, we do find the reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making this vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.